Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone, and this time I would like to share about how to make and find my age application. So when you enter some age or maybe some year, it will be his name. So some picture that show you are in teenager or maybe older than that. So let's start to make. So let's see, you open the Kodular first. This one I already opened. And for the I wanna give some example is the application that already finished. So I cannot show the preview because I need the phone and my school they're not allowed to use the phone for right now. As you can see is the code. You will see the code later. And I will explain about all of this. So let's create a new project. Create project and we'll give the project is let's oh find my age. Like this, yeah. As you can see. Find my age. Yes. Find my age. It was fine with underscore by the way. This here's the for the example. Find my age too. Because I already made it. Okay, for the app name we will set into find age. Yeah. And then for the package name we will write com dot and then your application find and then my name. And finish. And you just finish the first making project and wait for a second. Yeah, this. So over there, there's so many things. No, I mean in here, there's so many. Only little, but let's start to make. For the first, we need to turn off the show option menu and then rename the title become Find My Edge. This, then enter. And now we're gonna add this text. Where I mean, we need to add some space before the label. So we need to search space space and then drag and drop into the screen and forgot to set the screen become the horizontal become center then set the space for the height is 5% and then we need to take a label for give the name like this label drag and drop into the bottom of the space and then if the name is find my age like this. Then for the width is fill parent and then for the text alignment is a center. Don't forget to set the font size become 18 and the font typeface you can set into monospace. I like the monospace before. Yeah. Or maybe if you think that the font size is too much little, you can set become 24 like this. And then don't forget the font bold because it's the title and then for the color we'll set become indigo set. And then you can see in here because I using Indonesian, so I write bukan usiaku, which means from my age. Yeah. So before that, if you wanna add some text or with description, we need to take space for some spacing in the bottom of the level one, and then set the height become 2% or maybe one. I think it's enough. And then don't forget to take a label in over here put in the bottom of the space too, and then give the name become the Usia who this. Don't forget for the font become one space, and for the font size become 16 is enough, and then for the width is filtered. For the text alignment it becomes center, and for the color we will set become a gray in here. Set. And over here we need to take some text box. So for the input need to take text box search text box is the text box like this one not the dynamic but just drag in the bottom of Kansiaku. I don't I forgot to take some space. Wait. We search space give the height 3% and then for the width of the text box I mean Let's change the what's name, the text might become edited tahun. Then for the width, we need to then change become 90%. Okay, and then we need to snip it over here. We only this one, and then give some space again. Yeah, we need to take some space again. For the heck become, I think 10 is enough. 10, and then we need to take some hard view like this. And as you can see in here, the card view is for the height is fill parent, and then for the width is 90%. So we need to set the height is fill parent, and then for the width is 90%. Don't forget to give the corner radius become 10. Yeah, like this. And then as you can see in here, we need some text and some placeholder if you need. So the first I wanna add some text. We need to add some space like this. Take the space and then put in the but inside of the card view. Don't forget to set the card view become for the horizontal become center, and then we will set the space again for the height become 3% like this. Then we will search label and then put in the bottom of name space. Give the name become who am I? Who am I? Yeah, who am I? Like this, and then set the font typeface become monospace, and then for the font size become 17. For the width is fill parent. For the text alignment is center. Then for the color it become indigo. Like this. Set. Then we are giving its name font bold. And then forget for the space like this. Space. Put in the bottom of label who am I. Then set the height become 4%. And in over here there's some placeholder. So we can search for the placeholder maybe. Or maybe up to you if you want add placeholder, but it's too long I think. So we need to name upload the asset first. Click this for upload and then we'll upload asset. I will search for my asset. There's in file download. And then we will looking for my find my edge. Only this. We will use as the default is only picture, so there you will know his name, the placeholder. So it's fine I think. And the child one, and the last is teenage, which means is remaja. And now don't forget to what's name, add some image right here. The image is fill parent. Yeah, image. Image put in the bottom of space. Then for the height and width become fill parent. Yes. Maybe if you wanna snip, set the snip the picture, I will set become child for the beginner one. So in over here, we will go to block, see the block. So in over here, if you wanna add some decoration, we need to add decoration and clock. Yeah, clock it's for the year. Sorry, we need to take the clock first, this track, and then decoration, decoration. And we are going to blocks. And as you can see, in block there's so many code, but it's pretty simple. Okay, we will start from the when screen one in Italis. So we're going to screen one and then take the screen one in Italis like this. And then we're going to decoration and then call decoration one set shape. And then we need the component of the editor. We search the editor in the ADN paling bawah. Then put in the component for the background color we will set into white, first white, is white, and then for the border color become indigo, and then it's round, which means you need to take through in logic like this, yeah. Okay, so now we need to snip put the edited out. So in this time we will use when edited down on text change. So when the input text is changed, we will do some method. Maybe we drag this, and then in over here, if is empty and the x the year, which mean the input type is empty, it will be show the error text. Yeah. So now we will go to edit. Wait, take this and edit text, yeah, text in over here. And as you can, oh, hint, sorry, hint, shit, I forgot to give the hint in over. Sorry, if the hint is masukkan tahun lahir. This, then we go to the block again. Then set the edit down become hint, and for the hint, also snip, go to text, and then we will text, take the empty string, and then snip, you'll write masukkan tahun lahir. Oh yeah, don't forget to take if else ya before that. So we'll go to control and take the if then, yeah. If then we will go to text is empty, which means is empty, and then go to snip edit tahun, take the edit tahun dot text, and then we put the set edit tahun hint into this, and then we need to snip the edit layer arrow text, please. We need to take the error text of the edited tahun. This, and then just copy this one, duplicate, and then put in here, yeah, like this. Don't care about for this, and we need to call the error text. Call. So error message. Now in over here, we'll first name else. It means we need to go to this one setting, and then we will give else in here. And in over here, set text result. Text result, yeah. It means, oh, I mean text result before it. Heaven is, where's which one is text result? Text result is this label 3. See, okay, I need minute. Sorry. So we go to label, and then we'll know that the snip text result, which means the level 3, yeah. Level the text, and then over here, his name clock. It means we need to take his name the math kurangin. Yes, and then over here, call clock dot year. Or we go to clock dot year. Clock dot year. Yeah, instant. Call clock now. Call clock now. Yes. And minus the name. Edited tahun. edit the tahun dot text this and tahun dot text. Don't forget to set those in the info type become number. Go to back again. And over here, the for the img result, I will set. Oh, sorry, this one. Nah, this one. Oh yeah, this one. Label. This one. Wait. For the label D, I forget to set the text. I mean text. Oh, go. Who am then this one, yeah. Okay, and then for the image result, I think set image result. I mean this one. One image dot picture to oh yeah, same like the atasnya like this. Put and then we need to tag if else inside the else and then text result, yeah. Follow me. If you go to name math and then take this one for perbandingan orang dari, then we text the down dot text orang dari and then we take the math, take the 01, 10, and then in this one set result text and join it. Set result text first name set result which mean is the level 3. Set result text 2 and then we go to join and then in over here there is so many. I think we only need 4, yeah. Then we go to text again, text string and then you are and then I mean level 3 level 3 dot text and then yeah, and then for the second it's for the name the space and then for this is now and then for this one which means we need to set the image on picture to component any component any image picture become the child and then we give the else if to else if then over here yeah we need to take whose name the logic and like this switch it on the text more than 10 and then less than 18 we take duplicate this and then for the image we set become adult then for the last ada tahun more than name 18 we take all of this Oh, this one is adult, yeah. Then for the last is teenager. And finally, we just finished our application. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. If I made a mistake, I'm so sorry. And just I see wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.